Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway C box breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Rookie Anthology box break number 7. Here's the last game for auction. Here's Edmonton. So in the box is any 190-800-521. That's any 190-800-521. So here we go. Good luck, everybody. Rookies, Eric Hartzell for the Penguins. We got a jersey card for the 7/99 for the Jets of Jacob Trouba. And you get a select base of Mason Raymond for the Leafs. We have a luxury suite jersey and stick, 91/99 of Alex Tanguay for the Avalanche. And we have a Prism rookie of Martin Marinson for the Oilers. Hot rookies Chris Brown for the Capitals. And we have a hot rookies of Magnus Hellberg for the Predators. Hot rookies Victor Bartley for the Predators. And Prism rookie Martin Jones for the Kings. Rookies Danny DeKaiser for the Red Wings. And we have a jersey auto rookie John Merrill for the Devils from Select. It is numbered 46/99. You got a short print base, 63/100, Mike Camilleri for the Flames. We have hot rookies Cameron Schilling for the Capitals. And as Prism base, Tyler Seguin for the Stars. Hot rookies Mark Gandari for the Flames. We have a select base, Ilya Bryzgalov for the Wild. Score base, Vincent Cavalier for the Flyers. Very nice dual prime auto of Zach Weber for the Jets. Rookie selection, 4/50. Rookies Drew LeBlanc for the Blackhawks. And we have a select rookie of Zach Silt for the Penguins. Last pack. Score base Lou Erickson for the Bruins. And we have a select auto rookie of Calvin Heater for the Flyers. It is numbered 36/99. And then base to finish off the break. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.